Okay guys, so just fixed my computer, and in case if you have same problem, I will show you how to fix this. So in case if you see here in Windows Wi-Fi connection not working, click on Open Network and Sharing Center. Here you click on Change Adapter Settings, and if here's my internal Wi-Fi setting. As you can see, it's working, but in your case you should try to enable it and disable, and if still it doesn't help, just go to restart your computer. So it's now restarting. And you should go to BIOS settings. So in order to do so, you should click on F2 on your keyboard, and it will load BIOS like this. So in BIOS settings you should search for a menu like, so I'll show you, because not all computers got same BIOS configuration. So here you should click on Main Settings, go to Advanced, click on Onboard Device Configuration, and here you should enable USB controller. Make sure it's enabled, and after that you should save changes and restart your computer. In case if you do not have this option on your BIOS, then simply go to Exit menu and click here Restore Defaults. When you click Restore Defaults, it will ask you for configuration, load optimized defaults. Click on Yes, and simply click on Exit. And after restarting your Windows, everything should be working good now. As well, make sure to search on your keyboard for Wi-Fi buttons. Maybe you should click on this, or combination of this button plus F2 at the same time. For some computers, this button plus F3 button. So try as well using combination of these buttons if still doesn't help. So it's like manually activate your Wi-Fi card. So guys, in my case, solution was to restore BIOS defaults. In most cases it will help to fix this Wi-Fi problem. And after loading configuration, you will see that that everything is working. For it will ask you probably for enter password for your Wi-Fi network. So as you can see, it's connected. So guys, if still doesn't help you, simply comment under this video and we will find solution for you.